Download and install Winhance, link in the description. The first screen you're faced with on load up is all the applications that come pre-installed with Windows. You can go ahead and uninstall the apps that you don't want. It really is as simple as scrolling through a list and finding the apps you don't need. If you click on the External Software tab on the right side of the window, you will see all the external software loaded on your PC. I show you how to debloat Windows using Winhance, but the app can also do a number of other neat things. If you click on the Optimize tab on the left-hand side, you'll get a list of settings from all over Windows. There you'll find everything from security settings to ads, suggestions, and promotional content settings.